If your 2025 Nissan Sentra is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. Statistics show that over 85% of CarPlay failures are caused by software glitches or faulty cables rather than hardware. The first thing we need to do is clear the digital cobwebs with a system reset. Follow this sequence to force a reboot of the Nissan Connect system and refresh your phone's connection. If a reset didn't work, check these 3 physical components that frequently cause connection drops. Your iPhone settings might actually be blocking the connection, so verify these toggles are correct. Knowing whether your issue is specific to the cable or the wireless signal helps narrow down the fix. As you can see, almost half of all users solve the problem simply by switching to a high-quality cable. When all else fails, a total deletion and fresh pairing is the most reliable way to sync your Sentra. Keep these simple tools handy to maintain a solid data connection for your daily drive. Remember, your infotainment system is powerful, but it relies on a perfect physical or signal link to work. If these steps got your CarPlay back on screen, hit that subscribe button for more Nissan tech tips.